Icon Siam. Happiness everyone, welcome to my channel. Icon Siam is one of the most famous landmarks in Bangkok. Located along the beautiful Chao Phraya River. It opened in 2018 and this massive complex combines luxury shopping, cultural attractions, and riverfront entertainment all in one destination. One of the most popular attractions is Souk Siam, an indoor floating market-style zone where visitors can experience food, crafts, and culture from all 77 provinces of Thailand. Yan. So, noodles nila or tsaka rice. Yan. Look at this one day. May crab. Yung ano tawag ito? Yung alimasag na torta. Oh my God, ang sarap. Anong oras na ba? Are we going to have lunch na? This is good to taste later. Oh my God. Nalalaway na ako. Naglalaway na. Okay, let's go to the States of Thailand. Oh, napakatamis ng kanilang kamote dito. This is really good. As, of course, this one, the piña is very nice. The durian is very nice too. And this, oh my God. We'll try to bring some for the family. This one, the tamarind also. Oh, I wish I can bring this all. Ah, sarap. Daming tamarind dati. Yan, grabe ang prutas dito sa Thailand. Napakasarap. Oh, the snake fruit. And the mango. Oh, of course, the papaya. The watermelon na napakatamis. And of course, the bananas are really nice too. Grabe. Look at the jackfruit. Ang laki. You know, the pomelo is so, oh my God, so young. We can bring the fresh one. We will try to bring this dried fruits. Pwedeng magdala ng dried fruits. Kasi pag yung fresh, medyo hindi na siya fresh. So, they have their ways to bring this sweets, fruits back to our own homes by drying it up. And masarap pa rin naman. Of course, masarap yung dried mangoes nila. Meron din jelly na nasubukan kami. I think this one. Ito yung paborito ni Erica. The jelly one. Yan, toto. Ni Carlo. Paborito ni EJ, ni Faye. Yan. Right, I think we'll try to get some later. Para madala-dala. Yan. Alligator meat din mo. Dito ka, picture. Muna kami bago kami kumain kasi busog na busog pa kami ni ate. Ito yan. Oh, this is made of pork. Cute. Magpapapicture muna kami ng with the Thai suits or Thai costumes. Yan. Kami. Ito. Choose color. You have to choose color from here. Look at that one. This one, okay. Saan muna ako doon? Si ate namimili pa.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Whether you're shopping, tasting Thai street foods, or watching the sunset over the river, Icon Siam is considered one of the must-visit destinations in Bangkok.